ladies, so today I am going to actually construct the actual unit. So as you can see, I've already sewed down the frontal. Of course, it looks a little funny in the front, but it has to be customized and everything in the front once I'm done. Here I've started to sew in the back here, and I'm going to continue to sew up, so just stay tuned. Here you can see where I've already started going up a little further on the mannequin. Here I'm halfway done the back. I just bought each reef around. Some of them I doubled, some of them I did single. It just depended on basically how many tracks I had left, but I ended up with some left over. As you can see here, for beginners, it's always good to use the T-pins or some sort of pin, but I'm not a beginner. I've been doing this for over 20 years, but it's always a good way to make sure that your bundles and your tracks are laid correctly when you're sewing. It gives you a good sturdy base, so that you're not, like trying to hold the track and sew it and all of that at the same time. So that works out pretty good that way. So make sure it's just touching it perfectly together, and then stitch it together so that it meets and that everything is laying flat. The reefs on our hair is very thick, being that that's how we have such good quality hair. It is true Remy, 100% true Remy human hair. The reefs are really thick, so it's good to have a very strong, sharp needle when you're sewing. The reefs are thick so that we have thicker ends. The hair is fuller. You need less bundles when you're doing a full head as well. So that's always a good thing, but you want to make sure you have that really good needle. Here you can see I've completely finished the unit. Here I've completely finished the unit. It's 18, 16, and 14 inch D Badu 100% true Remy water wave. And again, you can purchase this hair or this wig at dbadubeauty.com. The link is below in the description. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Here I'm going to customize the lace front by cutting the black cap underneath. Hey ladies, all right, so this is how the unit turned out. It's a beautiful pink. I did the frontal in full pink, and then I did ombre in the back. As you can see, the hair is still water wavy. It's really soft. It's really silky. And this is, again, my brand of hair, D Badu Beauty. So you can purchase your own bundles of hair, or you can order a custom unit or a unit that's already been made. If you go to www.dbadubeauty.com, which the link is also below in the description, along with with everything that I used, all the products, the colors, the bleach, everything that I used on these bundles. Also, the video is attached with all of the coloring and how I did everything. So just make sure you check out part 1 and 2 of this video if you're just checking out this one. But this is the look. You see it? It's so pretty. It comes down. I don't know if y'all can see that in the back. It comes down pretty long. It's an 18, 16, and 14-inch hair. And this is a 14-inch frontal. I still have some tweezing to do here and to fix my baby hairs a little bit tomorrow, but I was so tired after I did this unit, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. All day yesterday was coloring, all day today was making a unit. So I am pooped and I am gonna be done for the day, y'all. So remember, subscribe. Remember to check out thebadubeauty.com. Also check out my page on Facebook, Diamond Allure MUA. Also, you can find Badu Beauty on Facebook as well. So, ladies, just remember to subscribe. Also, sign up for my giveaway for a purple wig for my Prince Purple Rain Memorial Day giveaway that we're doing. The announcement will be on April 21st, the day that Prince passed away 2 years ago. And we'll be giving away a custom-made wig by me, and it will be purple in remembrance of Prince. So just go ahead and do that and check me out next time, y'all. This is Diamond. Peace.